going through my jewelry lately and my clothes and stuff, and so with all my jewelry, it is fake, and I see that a lot of it has gotten tarnished. And I don't know about you guys, if you buy expensive jewelry or cheap jewelry, it can tarnish. So I wanted a quick way to clean my jewelry, and that's what we're gonna do today. It only takes a few minutes and a couple ingredients, and they're all natural. All you need is baking soda, hot water, a glass bowl, and tin foil. And you actually need it to be boiling water. And it should clean it up really fast, yay. Also, don't mind this mop of hair. This is my natural hair, not color, natural curls. Anyways, let's get started. It's been a few days, and there's also noise in the background because I have a very beautiful friend over. Hi. This is her gorgeous hand. And then my kid is playing, and my husband is playing video games. So, welcome to my life. This is real. Anyways, I also attempted to bleach my hair over the last few days. I could make a video on that and tell you just how awful it turned out, because I'm your cliche bleach your hair on your own kind of
but now
experience.
It kind of matches his hair.
We match a little better. So I could make a video on that. Just keep watching, or hit subscribe, or get the notifications, whatever, you know, no pressures. I need to quit saying right guys? Yeah, I'm gonna try to quit saying So back to what I was saying. For the ring, it wasn't too dirty to start with, and so cleaning it didn't do like a whole lot. I showed it in the other one. Let me zoom in off of my face.
Oh, you put it
if I can do that. Hang on.
Yeah.
There we go. My nail polish is also jacked up looking, and my psoriasis is cool. Okay. Anyway, so it did clean it pretty well. Like I said, it wasn't too dirty to begin with, so I mean, I can try this again if you are interested, and I can find more of my really
it's okay, it's just a remote explicit.
What's the word? What is the word? When your jewelry gets all gross?
Corroded?
Tarnished. Tarnished is the word. Tarnished is the word. Okay, when your jewelry gets tarnished. So I will find more of those pieces, and I can make a better video on this. But this is just kind of a quick little video to say, here's how to clean your jewelry. Anyways, thank you guys so much for chiming in or tuning in. Whatever, words are not coming to me today because I have not finished my coffee. But I appreciate every single one of you, and I hope to see you guys again. If you like what you saw and you want to see more, I also will be doing a wish haul. So come check that out when I get that up. Yeah, hit subscribe if you want. No pressure. No pressure. No pressure. And this is my friend and my cute doggy.
No pressure, just put.
This is puppies. Just puppies.
Just a puppy.
Oh, my good girl.
Oh.
Anyways, thanks guys. Bye.